Bart Taylor, Keystone Technical Training Manager. Today we want to talk about why solar and battery tending. Why is Keystone putting solar on every RV? We here at Keystone pride ourselves in listening to what our customers have to say. The demand for solar energy is at an all-time high, along with the fact that campgrounds are becoming more and more unavailable. At that time, we answered the demand by providing a flexible solution for customers to camp better. Let's face it, nothing is more frustrating than opening up your camper to find dead batteries because something was left on, like a pantry light or compartment light. RV batteries are expensive, and owners are replacing them far more often than they would like. With a SOLARFLEX package on every unit and some sunshine, customers will be saving time, money, and avoiding unwanted stress and frustration by not having to replace dead batteries. Let's break this down. Over a 10-year period of a typical RV with 2 lead-acid batteries, owners end up replacing those batteries every 2 to 3 years. Not only is it frustrating, but it adds up. Let's just say the batteries are $100 each. That's $600 to $1,000, plus your time and frustration. The cost of 3 batteries each time, and you're at $900 to $1,200? SOLARFLEX eliminates the stress and frustration of a dead battery and helps keep your hard-earned money in your pocket. SOLARFLEX will perform like a battery tender as long as it is collecting energy from the sun. The smart controller will sense the battery's state of charge and charge as needed. However, if you store your RV inside or under a cover, you will want to invest in quality battery tender, or remove your fully charged batteries from the RV and store in a cool, dry place. Periodically, check the charge of the battery while in storage and recharge as needed. SOLARFLEX is a win-win. Protect your battery investment and keep voltage-sensitive components operating efficiently with SOLARFLEX. Designed with the owner in mind, SOLARFLEX is a versatile system that can be easily expanded to fit many different energy needs. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions, please check us out at www.keystonerv.com.